Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to uninstall apps from the MacBook. Okay, so in general, on the Windows, we know that the uninstallation procedure. So it's like we'll go to the add or remove program or uninstall a program through the search box, and we'll go either we can go to settings, program features, and uninstall that particular application. But in case of MacBook, so how we can uninstall the app that we have installed. So let me go over that. So here we have a launchpad. So here it shows like what are the apps that I have installed. Okay, so these comes under I mean some apps are pre-installed, and some of them I have downloaded, like this iMovie, VirtualBox, Wireshark, Notion, and this flowchart designer. Okay, so today I'm going to uninstall one of the application from my MacBook Pro. Let me show you how I'm going to do it. So what I'm going to do is, like, I am going to uninstall this application, which is a flowchart designer. So how yeah, so we can go through this launchpad, okay, and go over the application. You just click on it as a long press, so you will see this mark, right, that into mark. So if you select that, it will ask for the whether you want to delete the application or not. Okay, if you delete that application, it will automatically completely removed from the system. Okay, before that, let me show you one thing. So here, if I want to open this flowchart, I actually pinned it here. But in case if I want to open the flowchart, which I didn't have pinned here, like let's say I open a Wireshark. So see, you can able to see that application is coming up here, right? So similar way, let me open this flowchart designer. So you can see the flowchart designer application, since it is already on my MacBook Pro, it is coming up here. Let me uninstall this app and see if that is still coming up. Okay, so I'm going to uninstall it. So see, I have uninstalled the app and it is no more seen in the dashboard. And this iMovie, Keynote, so these application also I can uninstall it. Okay, so yeah, so I uninstalled that flowchart designer. Let me search it from this search bar. Okay, so now you can see, right, there is no flowchart application here. So it's just, it has a folder but it doesn't show the application because we completely uninstalled. So this is how to uninstall an application. Yeah, so thank you. We'll see in upcoming videos. Bye bye.